Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one that came from Vite Ramen. This is their plant-based white miso. It's got lots of vitamins and protein, and it's all about the healthy thing. And that's what I want to talk about today, is the healthy thing. So, as most of you know, I'm an avid walker. Well, I guess I shouldn't say that, because now I've kind of come to the realization that the amount of walking I was doing was actually not so healthy. Not insofar as like physically hurting myself, but I was gone a lot, and my wife is dealing with chronic pain, and I wasn't here, and over time it really wore on her a lot, and she let me know that in no uncertain terms a few days ago. So, long story short, it was a very crummy evening, and she expected I would just leave. She was done, and I was like, fine. Threw my Fitbit out the window. As I'll tell you right now, I have the best wife and family in the entire known universe. Way better than yours. So, yeah. And that's where I'm at. You might be like, wow, you sound tired, dude. I'm like, I am. The last 4 days have been up and down emotionally and everything. And honestly, it's actually been good too, because it's like, well, I'm not going out all the time. I'll go out when she's working, when the kids are at school, but that's it. I mean, I was going out walking, trying to get these silly numbers. I mean, it's good for you to walk, but I was walking, so I was spending like six hours a day walking, and she'd be gone all day. She'd get home, I'd immediately get ready and go out. And she's like, she was worried I was out talking to, maybe like walking with some chick or something. She didn't know, And then when she ended up being at home from work because of her illness, then it was just like, that made it even worse. I was stupid. I was a blockhead. I won't say that I'm not still a blockhead, but I'm an educated one now. And honestly, I'm stoked, because since it's weird. Literally, since my doctor told me to put on a Fitbit, I wore it for like 5 years straight. And if I went out and I didn't have it, I would turn around and go back get it. I mean, it was like an addiction. It was really strange. I've never really couldn't think of that, but it's like I remember all these people saying like, dude, I don't have time for that. And it's like, when it really comes down to it, I didn't either. And my wife didn't have time for it either. And so we're good. We're kind of like, she did tell me previously how she felt about it, and I just kind of like, didn't really get it until I got it. And now I get it, and I feel like a jerk. So don't take your relationship for granted. That's all I can say. Listen. You could be listening better, possibly. But it kind of feels like we've gotten a whole new relationship out of it, and understanding of each other. And it's like last night we were up until 3 a.m. just talking. It was so nice. So sometimes you have crummy things happen that go in a end up being a positive in the end. I'm glad it did. I'm glad she gave me a chance to let go. No, really, I mean it. So, anyways, yeah, I usually don't try to get this personal about stuff on the show or in what I do, but yeah. So there you go. I'm home. But yeah, too much of anything I think is probably unhealthy. Well, let's try this. Nice chewy noodle. There's the broth. Yeah, it's weird. It's like I haven't done any reviews in a while, and I haven't really even a few days at least. I just haven't really felt like it. It's just been like, no, I got other junk to do, man. That's pretty good. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, now me and the kids and my lady, sore throat. School hasn't even started yet. We're supposed to be like just about to start getting like horrible sore throats. It's sick, you know. Kids go back to school, commiserate with the other kids, and the sick begins. Well, it kind of started early for us, I guess, so. But maybe that'll be like a little extra bit of immunity going in. So I'm gonna use this. I get this. Yeah. Made our last eggs this morning. Ooh, I like this one. Yeah. Oh, this is the old egg broth. Okay. Alright, I get you. It's like, I just made eggs. Where are they? Here they are. I did these a little too hard. There was almost some loud cursing there. That hurt. See, I've been out of it long enough to know how to do things with eggs as I should. I burnt my finger. I burnt my finger. Got some mung bean sprouts. These are kind of. Oh man, these mung bean sprouts aren't the best. We get like one session out of these mung bean sprouts. Yeah, that'll be alright. Alright, I think I'm calling it good with that. Kind of basic. Maybe some seeds. That seems kind of a thing to do. But yeah, I'm serious. It's been a rough go, and I think in the end it's gonna be like pure wonderful. I'm stoked. I bet you told me, honestly. Here we go. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this one from China. This is by Yidu Noodles. They're like a shelf-stable fresh, and they've got a pork flavor one. This came from 99 Ranch Market. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.